YouTube and Facebook Junior. Today we are going to CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant. Not only that, we also taking sound effect with us.
Yay! My friend's sound effect coming with us. This will be best day ever.
Hold up YouTube. Don't get too excited. You have to be on best behavior when you at the CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant. The same goes to sound effect and Facebook Junior. You promise to be on best behavior? Do you understand?
Yes. I will.
Good. Now let's get in the car. First we pick up sound effect, and we go to CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant.
Sound effect. Today you are going to CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant along with YouTube and Facebook Junior. And you promise to be on best behavior when you at the CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant. The same goes with YouTube and Facebook Junior. Do you understand?
Yay, I'm going along with my best friend YouTube, and yes, I will.
Good. Now you go wait outside for Rundown Place's car and go to CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant.
Jeez. What's taking very long? I want my fucking food right fucking now.
Yeah, I cannot wait for any longer.
YouTube and sound effect. The food is fucking coming. Now shut the fuck up. Welcome to CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant. How can I help you? I would like to have a poop burger.
I would like to have blood sandwich.
I would like to have the same as my dad, a kid's meal poop burger.
I would like to have Big Mac please.
And I will having the same as my best friend.
I'm sorry you too, but we don't sell Big Mac at CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant.
What? Is this kind of joke?
Yeah, what my best friend says.
YouTube and sound effect. Shut the fuck up right fucking now. And oh, they will have some shut the fuck ups. Okay, coming right up.
Can you give me Big Mac please?
YouTube and sound effect. Eat your shut the fuck UPS right now.
No, we want a Big Mac right now. Go to McDonald's and give it to us right fuck now. We hate you and hate the fucking restaurant. This place is fucking asshole. That's it. With now shut the fuck UPS at you.
YouTube and sound effect. How dare you throw a shut the fuck up at me? That's it. You're going home right now. YouTube. I can't believe you misbehaved the CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant. That's it. You're grounded for 681,928,381,928 centuries. Go to your room right now.
Fuck you.
Sound effect. How dare you misbehave the CorsicaYES FranceNO the restaurant along with YouTube. That's it. You are grounds for 7, 2,